Wherever you are, sit in Sukhasan or Vajrasan or Padmasan. Just keep our eyes closed. Both the hands facing the sky. Shoulders are relaxed. Gentle smile. Just observe your breath. पूरा ध्यान सांस की गति पर. Your back straight, कमर सीधी. Just observe the breath going in and out. जो सांस अंदर जा रही है, बाहर आ रही है, उसी पे हल्का सा ध्यान रखें. Relaxing your body as you breathe out. No more efforts. इस समय न कुछ करना है. Just विश्राम. पूरा विश्राम करो. Feel totally relaxed. Slowly start deep breathing. गहरी लंबी सांस लेंगे. Breathe in. Let the navel region go out. गहरी लंबी सांस भरें. पेट को बाहर खींचें. छाती फुलाएं. पेट बाहर. सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट अंदर. छाती को निचोड़ दे पूरा. Long and deep breath. With lots of effort, take long and deep breath. Pull out your navel region, breathe out and bring the navel region close to the spine. पेट को अंदर की ओर खींचते हुए सांस पूरा बाहर. Let whole your lungs get squeezed out. फेफड़े पूरे खाली हो जाए. लंबी गहरी सांस भरें. Breathe in and let go. Breathe out. Abdominal yogic breathing. पूरा पेट से सांस अंदर, पेट से बाहर. Try to breathe in from the throat. गले से सांस लेंगे. गले में दबाकर सांस लेंगे. You'll hear little noise from the throat, like snoring noise. Ten more abdominal breathing with Ujjayi breath. 10 लंबी गहरी सांस उज्जयी सांस के साथ. Yogic breathing, keeping your spine erect. Shoulder relax. खंबे ढीले करते हुए, कमर सीधी रखते हुए. चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट न भूले. गहरी लंबी सांस लेते जाएं और छोड़ते जाएं. जितना हो उतना सांस भरें. पेट को बाहर निकालें. गहरी गले से सांस लें. गले से सांस छोड़ें. रिलैक्सिंग होल बॉडी, पूरा शरीर से थकावट जा रही है उसे महसूस करते जाएं। फील द एनर्जी इन द बॉडी एज यू ब्रीथ इन। पूरा शरीर में शक्ति का संचार हो रहा है, उसे भी महसूस करते जाएं। Ujjayi long deep breath from the abdomen and breathe out. Relax the body. As you breathe out, let go all the tension, any stress from your mind. Let go all your thoughts. Let go your feelings. Don't try to block. Just let go. Eyes are closed. आंखें बंद रखें हमेशा। Home of breaths. With a smile, breathe out. Notice the difference in your body and the mind. Let's take few more normal breaths. Stop Ujjayi breath. We'll take few long normal breaths. Let the breath go in and out by its own. Just observing the breath. No more efforts. Be a witness of your body in the breath. साक्षी भाव से शरीर को देखें, मन ही मन सांस को देखें। Get ready for Kapalbhati Pranayama. Both the hands in Chin Mudra rested over the thighs. In Kapalbhati Pranayama, we forcibly breathe out. There is no effort taking the breath in. Inhalation is automatically breathe out, exhale with force, bringing the navel region close to the spine. पेट को अंदर खींचते हुए पूरा स्ट्रोक के साथ सांस छोड़ेंगे। सांस छोड़ने में जोर लगाएं, सांस आपो आप अंदर भर जाएंगे। कपालभाति के लिए गेट रेडी। आईज क्लोज, ब्रीद इन फर्स्ट and breathe out. Breathe in for Kapalbhati. And relax your hands, normal breath. Just observe your thoughts, mind. Little dizziness is normal, don't worry about it. Keep smiling. Shoulders are relaxed. Let go all the tension from the back and the shoulders. कमर और shoulders हमेशा ढीला रखें कमर बिल्कुल सटी हुई, गर्दन को झुकाएंगे नहीं, गर्दन और कमर एक ही लाइन में रखें, चेहरा सामने की ओर। गेट रेडी फॉर कपालभाति। टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ विद आईज क्लोज्ड, ब्रीथ आउट। कपालभाति, ब्रीथ इन, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Kapalbhati Pranayama brings lots and lots of calmness in your mind. Removes all the restlessness from your body. Brings it lots and lots of energy in the body. Strengthens the abdominal organs, the abdominal muscles, all the internal organs get power. Get ready for Kapalbhati third round. Take a long deep breath with spine erect and breathe out. Shoulder relax. Kapalbhati 20 rounds, third round. And relax. A gentle smile over the face, eyes closed all the time. Retain the energy in the body. शरीर में जो शक्ति का संचार हो रहा है उसे जाने दें। गहरी लंबी सांस भरें और छोड़ें। Let's get ready और भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम। Both the hands folded, knees by the side of the chest, close fist by the side of the shoulder. Shoulders are relaxed, so is the face and the neck. Spine is erect. You are sitting either in Vajrasana or Sukhasana or in the chair. Be comfortable wherever you are. Gently take a long deep breath and let go. In Bhastrika Pranayama, inhalation is forcibly with raising the hands. Exhalation is forcibly bringing the hands down. Bhastrika Pranayama में दोनों हाथ ऊपर की ओर, हथेली छोड़ दें, खुली कर दें, गहरी लंबी सांस भरेंगे, जोर से भरेंगे। सांस छोड़ते हुए दोनों हाथ नीचे और सांस जोर से छोड़ेंगे। Incoming and outgoing breath both forcible. Try to apply a little more force as you go into second and third round. Those with the heart ailments can apply a little less force. हृदय की बीमारी वाले थोड़ा सा हल्का सा फोर्स लगाएंगे। गहरी लंबी सांस भरें और छोड़ दें। Breathe in one more time and Breathe out completely. Empty the chest. Breathe in and raise your hands forcibly. In 6, in 7, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, and relax. Eyes closed, both the hands towards the ceiling, facing the sky. Feel the energy in the body. Notice each and every cell. Billions and trillions of the cells in this body, all charged up. कण कण में शक्ति का संचार हो रहा है, उसे महसूस करते जाएं। नॉर्मल सी सांस ले और छोड़े। Keep your shoulders relaxed. Vastrika second round, position of the hands, close fist by the side of the shoulder, long breathing, and breathe out, relax your shoulder, let go of the tension from the back straight, breathe in another time, empty the chest completely, forcibly, breathe out, in, 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 out, and relax. ढीला कर दें दोनों हाथ, हथेली आकाश की ओर. Smile on your face, eyes closed. Relax, back straight. कमर बिल्कुल सटी हुई, नजर सामने की ओर, आंखें बंद. मन ही मन शक्ति का संचार को महसूस करते जाएं. Just feel the energy in the body. Vastrika, third round. Position of the hands. With a smile, breathing. And let go. Smile, another long and deep breath. And breathe out, empty the chest. Little more force this time, the third round. Breathe in and hands up. 3, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, and relax. Put the hands facing the sky, feeling the energy in the body. Just observe your thoughts, your emotions. Observe the mind becoming hollow and empty. पूरा मन खाली हो रहा है. उसी को महसूस कीजिए. No more thoughts coming up. Even if at all any thoughts, don't block it. Let it go. मन में जो कुछ भी विचार आ रहे हैं आने दें. सांस छोड़े और लेट गो ऑल द स्ट्रेस. Let's do a few rounds of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. The left hand in Chin Mudra, the right hand thumb pressing the right nostril, your back straight, middle two finger over the Yagya Chakra, the forehead. Breathe in from the left and breathe out from the left again. With a smile, breathe in from the left, very gentle, long, deep breath. अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम में गहरी लंबी सांस लेंगे, उतावले ना रहें. सांस लेने में जितना समय हो उतना समय लेंगे. Hold the breath, press the left nostril with the ring finger, release the right hand, thumb and release the breath from the right side. Release, release. Breathe in from the right again. Gentle breathing. Slow, gentle breath. Feel the energy you are taking in. The prana brings lot of energy. Hold the breath for a while, maybe 1 or 2 counts. Press the right nostril and release the breath. Let go all the stress. Feel the stress, the tension from the body or muscles getting relieved. Keep breathing left to right. Long breath, hold the breath, breathe out. And breathe out. Alternate nostril breathing. Keep breathing at your own speed. अपनी गति से सांस भरे और छोड़े. चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट रखते हुए सांस लें और छोड़ें. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is a very relaxing pranayama. It brings down the blood pressure, the heart rate, the anxiety, the stress, everything gets relieved. 20 rounds of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So it will be the schedule for everyone. घर पे जब साधना कर रहे हैं 20 राउंड अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम जरूर करें. Every time you breathe in, breathing long, deep and very gradual. Slowing down your breath rate like a turtle. Brings longevity in your life. Two more rounds, right to left, left to right, at your own speed. Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Before doing any puja or divine activity, always do few rounds of Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. पूजा के पहले मंदिर में जाते समय अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम जरूर करें। लास्ट राउंड। फील द रिलैक्सेशन। शरीर पूरा विश्राम में आ रहा है, उसे महसूस करते जाएं। As you breathe out from the left, gently relax your hands. Be comfortable with eyes closed. आंखें बंद रखते हुए मन ही मन इसी अनुभव के साथ रहें। सांस को चलने दें अपनी गति से। कमर से सीधे बैठ जाएं। 3 बार भ्रमरी प्राणायाम करेंगे। We'll do Brahmari Pranayama 3 times. Just press the external ears with both the thumbs on either side. Gentle pressing the ear, bringing two fingers over the closed eyes and 2 over the forehead. गहरी लंबी सांस भरेंगे। As you breathe out, make humming noise. Breathe in again. One more time. Relax your hands, sit comfortably, hold the hands facing the sky, or you can keep them one above the other in the lap. Shoulders relax, eyes closed. Notice the difference in your body and the mind. The power of yoga. This divine activity, the gift of the God from the rishis, the ancient rishis, the supreme God. The Adi Yogi, the Lord Shiva, who gave this knowledge to Parvati, the knowledge of living, the knowledge of yoga, uniting with the divine energy, the same knowledge passed upon to us through generations and generations. From Narada to Vedavyasa, all masters in all our scriptures. From Adi Yogi to Yogeshwara, Lord Krishna, who gave this knowledge in beautiful texts of Bhagavad Gita. The most beautiful texts given by the Supreme Yogi, Yogeshwara, Lord Krishna. different paths of yoga, bhakti yoga, karma yoga, jnana yoga, raj yoga. Same documented by Maharishi Patanjali. Patanjali Yoga Sutras, the ultimate knowledge of yoga, documented, downloaded from the Akasha by Lord Rishi Maharshi Patanjali. Be grateful to all these masters. सभी के प्रति भाव से नमन करते हुए गहरी लंबी सांस लें और छोड़ें। मन ही मन सभी मास्टर्स को, सभी गुरु आदि शंकरा and your beloved masters, whoever taught you all this knowledge, from generations to generation, be thankful with a gratitude. Take a long deep breath and breathe out. Patanjali gave us the Ashtanga Yoga, the Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dhyana Dharana, Samadhi. Let us follow all these steps in our life and be happy, joyful. Come what may, let's keep a smile. Situations come and go. Nothing is permanent. Things come and go. Happiness, sorrow, misery, day, night, keep changing. Observe the opposites in the life. Opposite values are always complementary. Nothing changes is the own oneself, your own soul. Be the observer of your own body, the breath, the mind. Let us keep following all yamas and niyamas in body, in our whole life. All yamas, ahimsa, satya, steya, brahmacharya, parigraha. Let's inculcate all these in our daily routine. Niyamas, asocha, santosha, स्वाध्याय, तप, ईश्वर परिधान। इसी के साथ जिए, इसी के साथ रहें। Take another long deep breath. With a smile, breathe out. Thanking all our masters, all our gurus, for this ultimate knowledge. Keep smiling. Let go. One more breath in and let go. Gently and slowly become aware of the environment, your body, your breath, and breathe out. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. With awareness, let's take another breath in and breathe out. Gently and slowly. Take another long deep breath and let go. Whenever you feel complete at your own speed, you can open your eyes. Namaste.